Before we start, tap subscribe, share this with a friend, and hit like to help more travelers beat peak season chaos. Traveling during the peak season can feel like a great challenge. You dream of beautiful beaches or vibrant city streets, but reality can be different. Airports are filled with endless lines of tired people, trains are so full you can barely find a place to stand, and your favorite hotels seem to have no rooms left. Prices for everything, flights, simple meals, often go up, and you might start to feel tired and stressed before your vacation even truly begins. The excitement you once felt can quickly turn into anxiety. It is a common feeling for many travelers during these busy times. This essay is here to help you navigate these challenges. It provides clear and simple tips to make your peak season trip much easier. The advice is designed to be easy to follow. You do not need to be a travel expert to use these strategies. Many of them are small actions you can take right now. The goal is to transform your travel experience. We want to take you from a place of stress and worry to one of calm and enjoyment. You deserve a vacation that feels like a real escape, not another source of pressure. The feeling of relief is possible, even when traveling at the busiest times of the year. Imagine walking through the airport with confidence. Picture yourself finding a quiet corner in a bustling city. Think about how much more you will enjoy your destination when you are not worried about crowds or high costs. This guide will show you how we will break down the process step by step, from booking your tickets to choosing where to eat. These tips cover all aspects of your journey. They will empower you to take control of your travel plans. Let's begin this journey toward a more peaceful vacation. We will explore practical solutions for common peak season problems. The single most important rule for peak season travel is to plan early. When everyone wants to travel on the same date, supply becomes limited. Flights fill up, hotel rooms disappear quickly. To avoid disappointment, start booking months in advance. For major holidays like Christmas, summer vacation, book 6 to 9 months ahead. This early start gives you the best selection of flights, accommodations, more choices, and often better prices before demand drives them up. It is your first and strongest defense against peak season stress. Flexibility is your secret weapon. Even small changes in travel dates can make a huge difference. Avoid the busiest days. Fridays. Sundays. Consider a Tuesday, Wednesday instead. Same logic for your return trip. Shift by 1 or 2 days to save money and avoid crowds. Fly at less popular times to save. Early morning flights before 7 a.m. are cheaper and less delayed. Early flights are a smoother, cheaper start. Late night flights, red-eyes, offer similar benefits. Fewer people, more seat availability, lower fares. Extend this planning beyond flights and hotels. Book famous restaurants ahead. Reserve a rental car early. Book popular tours and activities. Guided hike, boat trip. In today's world, technology is a traveler's best friend. You can use it to become a digital detective, hunting for the best possible prices. Start by setting up price alerts on various travel websites and airline apps. Services like Google Flights allow you to track a specific route. Services like Skyscanner allow you to track a specific route. Services like Kayak allow you to track a specific route. You will receive an email whenever the price for your chosen flight goes up or down. You will receive a notification on your phone whenever the price for your chosen flight goes up or down. This powerful tool does the work for you. It means you do not have to check prices manually every single day. You can simply wait for the alert that tells you it is a good time to book. Many of these travel websites also offer features that show historical price data. This can be incredibly useful. An app like Hopper, for example, analyzes billions of flight prices. It then predicts whether you should buy your ticket now or wait for a potential price drop. It might tell you that the current price is high for this time of year, and that you should hold off. Or, it might advise you to book immediately because prices are expected to rise. Using these predictive tools helps you make an informed decision. It takes the guesswork out of finding the best deal and gives you more confidence in your purchase. Beyond flights, technology can help you save money on accommodations. When you search for hotels, be sure to compare prices across multiple platforms. A room might be listed for different prices on the hotel's own website. A room might be listed for different prices on an online travel agency. A room might be listed for different prices on a booking app. Also, consider signing up for loyalty programs with your favorite hotel chains. These programs often provide members with exclusive discounts. These programs often provide members with free Wi-Fi. These programs often provide members with the possibility of a room upgrade. Even if you do not travel frequently, signing up is usually free and can unlock immediate perks for your peak season trip. Finally, do not forget about the power of social media and email newsletters. Follow your favorite airlines, hotel groups, and travel agencies on Instagram or Facebook. They often announce flash sales and special promotions to their followers first. Similarly, subscribing to their email newsletters can give you access to exclusive deals that are not advertised to the general public. It takes only a few seconds to sign up. The potential savings can be substantial, especially during expensive peak season. When you travel during peak season, the most popular areas of a city can become incredibly crowded and noisy. The hotels in the dead center of the action are often the first to be booked and usually have the highest prices. To find more peace and better value, think about staying a little outside the main tourist hub. Look for accommodations in a quiet residential neighborhood or a smaller adjacent town. These areas can offer a more authentic and relaxed experience. You get a chance to see how locals live away from the constant hustle and bustle of the tourist crowds. The key to staying outside the city center is to choose a location with excellent public transportation links. Before you book a hotel or an apartment, check a map to see how close it is to a bus stop, a train station, a metro line. A short and easy trip into the city can save you a significant amount of money on your lodging. It can also provide a welcome escape at the end of a long day of sightseeing. Returning to a quieter area allows you to recharge your batteries. You can enjoy a peaceful night's sleep without late-night party noise or traffic right outside your window. When you are reading reviews for potential places to stay, pay close attention to what other travelers say about noise levels and cleanliness. A review that mentions thin walls or a noisy street is a major red flag. Look for comments that praise a quiet room or a peaceful location. A clean and calm place to rest is one of the most valuable things you can have on a busy trip. It makes a huge difference in your overall energy and enjoyment. Do not underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Also, consider different types of accommodations. Instead of a large hotel, you might look at a smaller boutique hotel, a bed and breakfast, a vacation rental. These options can sometimes offer more space and a more personal touch. For example, having a small kitchen in a rental apartment allows you to prepare your own breakfast. This saves you time and money, and helps you avoid crowded restaurants in the morning. Exploring these alternative lodging choices can often lead you to a hidden gem that is both more affordable and more comfortable than a standard hotel in the city center. Packing smart and light is one of the best things you can do for a peak season trip. Navigating a crowded airport or a busy train station is much harder when you are dragging a heavy, oversized suitcase behind you. A smaller, lighter bag is easier to manage. It allows you to move more freely and quickly through crowds. If you can, try to pack everything into a carry-on bag. This saves you from waiting in long lines to check your luggage. It also eliminates the stress of waiting at the baggage carousel upon arrival, and you never have to worry about the airline losing your bag. The secret to packing light is to choose versatile clothing that you can wear in layers. T-shirt, long-sleeved shirt, light fleece or cardigan. A lightweight waterproof jacket or a small packable raincoat is also a great addition. Use packing cubes to keep your suitcase organized and compact. Put all your shirts in one cube, put your pants in another, put your socks and underwear in a third. This not only makes it easier to find what you need without unpacking your entire bag, but it also helps compress your clothes. You will be surprised at how much more you can fit into your suitcase when everything is neatly organized in cubes. They are, a simple and inexpensive tool that can completely transform your packing experience. Finally, always keep your most important items in a small day pack or personal bag that stays with you at all times. Passport, tickets, wallet, phone, and any necessary medications. It is also a good idea to pack a change of underwear and a toothbrush in this bag, just in case your checked luggage gets delayed. Having these essentials with you provides peace of mind. You know that even if something goes wrong with your main bag, you have everything you need to handle the situation calmly and continue with your trip. Then you can relax and enjoy your vacation from the moment it starts. Your next trip during a popular holiday or summer break can be the best one yet. Section 6. Outsmarting the crowds. Simple tricks to skip the lines. Long lines are one of the biggest frustrations of peak season travel. Fortunately, you can avoid many of them with a few simple steps. For your flights, always use the online check-in option. Most airlines open online check-in 24 hours before departure. Take advantage of this. You can choose your seat and get your boarding pass without ever going to the check-in counter. Print your boarding pass at home, or, even better, save it to your phone. This allows you to walk straight to the security line if you only have a carry-on bag, saving you a huge amount of time. The same strategy applies to other forms of transportation and attractions. If you are taking a train, buy and download your tickets in advance. If you are taking a long-distance bus, buy and download your tickets in advance. For popular museums, check their website to see if you can purchase timed entry tickets online. For popular art galleries, check their website to see if you can purchase timed entry tickets online. For historical sites, check their website to see if you can purchase timed entry tickets online. This is becoming a very common practice. A timed entry ticket guarantees you admission at a specific time, allowing you to bypass the long, winding queue. In many cases, it can mean the difference between seeing a famous landmark and being turned away because it is sold out for the day. At the airport, consider whether a fast-track pass is worth the cost. Consider whether a priority pass is worth the cost. Some airports offer these services for a fee, which gives you access to a shorter dedicated security line. If you are traveling with small children, this small investment can be incredibly valuable. If you are on a tight schedule, this small investment can be incredibly valuable. It can significantly reduce your stress levels and get you to your gate much faster. Some credit cards and some airline loyalty programs offer this perk for free, so be sure to check if you already have access to it. It is a simple way to make the airport experience feel a little more luxurious. Once you are at your destination, be strategic about how you approach your day. If you are visiting a very popular attraction like the Eiffel Tower, plan to arrive very early in the morning, right when it opens. If you are visiting a very popular attraction like the Colosseum, plan to arrive later in the afternoon. The largest crowds tend to gather in the middle of the day, from late morning to early afternoon. By timing your visit for the shoulder hours, you can enjoy the site with fewer people around. This not only makes for a more pleasant experience, but also allows you to take better photos without hundreds of other tourists in your shot. This also applies to meals. Restaurants get packed at standard lunch and dinner times. You might face long waits, or slow rushed service. To avoid that, eat at off-peak times. Early lunch around 11:30 a.m. or after 2 p.m. Early dinner around 6 p.m. or after 9 p.m. You're more likely to get a table and relaxed service. Section 7. The rhythm of the road. Timing your days for peace. When you're in a busy place, timing your day makes a world of difference. Early morning hours are often magical. Streets are quieter. The light is soft and beautiful. The air feels fresh. Plan to visit the most popular sites first thing. Arrive right when they open, or get there a few minutes before. You'll be rewarded with a peaceful, personal experience. You can explore without navigating a sea of people. This lets you appreciate the site's beauty and its history. Late afternoon and evening can also be great. Day trippers head home. Tour groups finish for the day. Crowds begin to thin out. Some museums offer extended evening hours. Those evenings are a chance for a calmer visit. Explore as the sun sets. Watch the lights turn on. A different, enchanting vibe. Nighttime at a monument can be a highlight, or take a walk along a lit-up river. Section 8. Embracing local wisdom. Your secret weapon. One of the best resources you have when traveling is the knowledge of the local people. They are the true experts on their own city or town. Do not be shy about talking to the staff at your hotel. Talk to your tour guide. Talk to the host of your vacation rental. Ask them for their advice. They know the best times to visit popular attractions to avoid the worst of the crowds. They can tell you about a hidden gem, a small, beautiful museum, a quiet park most tourists miss. Their insider tips can lead you to some of the most memorable experiences of your trip. Local knowledge is especially valuable when it comes to food. Instead of just going to the restaurants listed in your guidebook, ask a local where they like to eat. Ask the hotel receptionist, where would you go for a great, affordable dinner in this neighborhood? Local restaurants are often less crowded and less expensive than tourist spots. The food is also likely to be more authentic and delicious. A recommendation from someone who lives there is like a key to the city's culinary scene. It is a simple question that can lead to a fantastic meal. Look for local sources of information. Visit official tourist information offices. Maps, brochures, helpful advice. Some cities also have apps and websites. They provide live updates, public transport schedules, and wait times at major attractions. Follow local city blogs. Follow social media accounts. They can tell you about special events, festivals, farmers markets. These are great chances to immerse yourself in local culture. Pay attention to how local people behave. Observe their daily routines. What time do they go to the markets? When do they fill the cafes? Following their lead helps you avoid the tourist rush. If a park is full of local families in the late afternoon, that's probably a great time to go. If locals avoid an area at a certain time, there's usually a reason. Be a respectful observer and you'll navigate the city more smoothly and authentically. Final preparations, staying calm, safe, and ready. As your trip approaches, taking care of a few final details can make a big difference. One of the most important is to prepare for the unexpected. Flights get delayed, and plans can change. Have a backup plan in mind for your most important days. For example, if your main goal is to visit a specific museum, know what its opening hours are for the next day in case you miss your chance. A good travel insurance plan can be a lifesaver. It can help cover costs related to canceled flights, lost luggage, or medical emergencies. Read the policy carefully so you know exactly what is covered before you leave home. Being smart about your money and documents is crucial. Make 2 photocopies of your passport, driver's license, and credit cards. Keep one set with you, separate from the originals, and leave the other set with a trusted person at home. It is also wise to have digital copies saved in a secure online account like Google Drive or Dropbox. When you are out exploring, consider using 2 wallets. Keep a small amount of cash for the day in one, and keep your credit cards and the rest of your cash in a more secure wallet or money belt hidden under your clothing. Your health and safety should always be a top priority. Pack a small first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any personal medications you need. Be mindful of food and water safety. In places where the tap water is not safe to drink, stick to bottled water, and use it for brushing your teeth as well. When eating street food, choose vendors that are busy and have a high turnover, as this usually means the food is fresh. Always carry a small bottle of hand sanitizer, and use it before you eat. These small habits can help you stay healthy and enjoy your trip without interruption. Finally, the most important preparation is to adjust your mindset. Accept that you may not be able to see and do everything, and that is okay. Peak season travel is about quality, not quantity. Choose a few must-see attractions that are most important to you and plan to enjoy them fully. Keep your expectations realistic. There will likely be crowds, and there might be delays. By preparing for these possibilities, you can face them with patience and a calm attitude. Remember that a smile and a polite demeanor will get you much further than frustration. Your vacation is a time to relax and make happy memories. What one tip will you try first on your next trip? Drop your answer in the comments, and if this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more peak season travel wins.